This is a No and Go Storm Alert. Here's Jonathan O.
I'm meteorologist Jonathan O with a No and Go Storm Alert reporting to you from Tokyo. We are continuing to monitor Typhoon Jebi as it makes its way toward Japan. It has been an active season for the Western Pacific. This storm is no different. It is a powerful storm. It was once a violent typhoon, the highest categorization for the Western Pacific when it comes to typhoons, but it has weakened just a bit, and I will show you the satellite perspective to give you the reason why. Now, it was passing near the Mariana Islands as we went through the second half of last week. Notice that very well-defined eye, but then as we went through the weekend, it went through this eye wall replacement period. So it had to weaken a bit to be able to regenerate the eye wall efficiency. And so we can now see that it is relatively clear. It has actually developed itself. It is still a powerful storm. Don't let the very strong typhoon category, because it's not violent, make you think that it's, not a big deal, because it is a big deal. And we're expecting the storm to make its way toward Japan and arrive sometime late Monday into Tuesday morning. And we're talking about strong winds along with heavy rainfall and the concern for storm surge for those of you along the coastal areas as we go forward in time. Now, the Japan Meteorological Agency, which I think the track is much better represented, takes the storm more toward the western portions of Japan and in terms of the central eye location, and then makes the storm go toward the north through the Sea of Japan. And I think that is the more likely scenario. Now, the GFS Futurecast model takes this storm a little bit further toward the east. I don't think this is as accurate of a scenario. It's a possible scenario, but I think that's playing it a little bit too close to the east. I think that's more likely going to go straight through toward the western areas of Japan and through the central areas, anywhere from the Shikoku, Chugoku, Tokai, Kinki regions. Kinki especially. Tokai is a little bit too far to the east, I think. And the impact will still be felt in Tokai, but I think Kinki over toward the west into Chugoku and Shikoku, you'll be seeing the central portion of the storm likely moving through there, the eye itself. And then for those of us from Tokai into the Kanto-Koshin region, you are likely going to be seeing strong winds and heavy rainfall from this particular storm. So as we go through late Monday, going throughout the day on Tuesday, even to the early part of Wednesday, depending on how quickly the system rolls through, it's going to be bringing plenty of impact for the central and eastern areas of Japan, and then eventually we'll see the impacts increasing up toward Hokkaido, Tohoku, Hokuriku regions as we go throughout the middle of this week. So let's take a look at the 7-day forecast for Tokyo. Now, it was a nice day in terms of temperatures. It was relatively cool as we went through Sunday. Monday also will be similar, 27 for the high with cloudy skies. We'll see the rain likely picking up. We've had to deal with some scattered showers from time to time during the weekend. We go through Monday, it will be mainly cloudy. We'll see the rain really picking up on Tuesday. And by the time we go into Wednesday, we'll be dealing with the rain into the morning hours and things should wrap up. For those of you who are using public transit, Tuesday, Wednesday, Osaka, Tokyo, anywhere in between, and even probably further toward the west, you want to keep that in mind that it may run into some delays because of this particular system rolling through. We go through Thursday, we should see sunny skies returning. Highs will be in the low 30s once again. And yes, the humidity is likely to be back as well. But at least the second half of the week looks to be relatively dry. We'll have a little bit of the disruption of the autumnal rainy season front that's been giving us those scattered showers and thunderstorms. That's going to break up just a bit as we go through the second half of this week. So that's what's happening right now. This has been a No and Go Storm Alert. I'm meteorologist Jonathan O reporting to you from Tokyo.